Now I am going to buy the food items. I bought rice, which is the main food of Bangladesh. Also bought red lentils, vegetable oil, salt and flattened rice. Just bought some food items which can support a family for a week. So let's pack this item and find someone who really needs this. I have also printed the provided text. After searching for a while, I have found a woman whose husband is a day laborer but currently jobless. I often see her in this graveyard collecting dry leaves. So giving this food to her so this family have one less problem for food for a week. And now I will attach this on the package. এখানে এই যে চাল ডাল তেল লবণ এগুলো আছে আপনার এক সপ্তাহের জন্য মনে হয় চলবে। আপনি কি এগুলো নিয়ে খুশি?
হ্যাঁ খুশি।
তাহলে বলেন থ্যাংক ইউ সিক্স প্যাক বয়।
থ্যাংক ইউ 6 প্যাক বয়।
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে তাহলে ভালো থাকবেন।